Good evening. I'm Gary Hinsche. I'm an artist and I'm exhibiting in the Dana L. Wiley Gallery in the Art Matters exhibition in Dayton, Ohio. And this is a spectacular show. Everybody should see this show. So I am a hard edge painter, and what does that mean? It means, well, I'm really a designer and artist combined. Everything I do is designed. Everything I do is based on an idea, a concept, following solo wit that the idea is bigger than the art, bigger than the finished piece, maybe not bigger than the art. But what's amazing in this transition is that this stuff, I don't have a name for this. You know, people ask, what do you call it? I don't know what I call it. But what I wanted to do is generate interest, and it's an exploration of color, and it's an exploration of how you present color and how color works, because our whole world is a very colorful place, and yet, in my opinion, in Dayton, Ohio, we sort of live in a gray place. All the houses are gray, all the walls are white, everything else. Color's inspiring, color charges you, color is, and I find that very energetic. So even more specifically, these pieces are really color. These are two colors, but the transition almost to create a third color, and then you probably can't see it through the camera, but these are almost fluorescent or iridescent. There's a thickness to them. They draw you in and have I think a really wonderful feeling. I created a color palette for this series. There's several paintings in this series. This is 3 of them, but it's all the same color palette, and so sort of contrasting the softness of the painting with the brightness, the glossiness of the frame. And yet I call it a frame. It's not a frame. The frame is part of the presentation, part of the painting. So I live my life in this world. And I tell everybody all the time that you have to tell a story. Hinsche, you're not a painter, you're not an artist, you've got to become a visual storyteller. And that's what I like doing. I like developing these sort of graphic, strong stories. And you say, what story are you talking about? It's my story. This is who I am. This is what this represents in my life on this planet. And I find it incredibly inspiring, and it's amazing. As old as I am, I'm still learning, and it's just an honor to be involved in this show with so much talent. There's so much talent in this city. I don't know what else to say. Thank you very much.